The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, welcome to the free Salesforce Career Guidance by Intellogic, your school on Salesforce platform on YouTube. And let us see what is going to be the lesson of today's session. So today's 5-minute lesson will be to understand the part 7 of Salesforce real-time scenario-based interview question. Let us see how you should answer this kind of questions when you are going to face this in the interview. Let us start with the first question.
How to use public groups in Salesforce project.
So whenever you want to share a record with a group of users and that you want to share on regular basis, then you can use public group where you can club 20, 30, 100 people, users in a group and share the record with them on regular basis. So this way you can also save the time in sharing the records regularly. Let's go for next question.
How to use queue in security of Salesforce.
So queues are almost similar like public group where actually we create a group of users. So mostly for the ownership transfer, responsibility transfer, we use queue. And whenever we are sharing the record, the way we can share with a public group, same way we can also share with a queue in Salesforce. And this way we can use queue for security activities or security scenarios in Salesforce. Let's go for next question.
When to use queue and when to use public group in Salesforce.
So for this kind of question, you can give this answer. You can say when you want to share the record in such a way that the person who is going to receive this record should only see and modify. That's it. Then you can use public group. But if you want to transfer the responsibility or ownership of that record, then queue is something useful in security. Let's go for next question.
Auto response rule in Salesforce.
So the question is, what is auto response? Means you have to explain some information about auto response rule. So whenever you get any kind of, let's say a lead or let's say a complaint in the case object or in the lead object, then if you want to give automatic email response to the concerned person, then auto response rule is used. This is especially useful for automating the business process, and the concerned person will also get the acknowledgement type of email. At that time we should use auto response rule. Let's go for next question.
What is escalation rule in Salesforce?
So this escalation rule is useful especially for the case management when any complaints come in the business and let's say the concerned person is working on that. But if it is not getting solved in the pre-decided time, then we can automatically escalate to the concerned senior authority. So this automation is done by escalation rule in Salesforce. We can mention the time, and after that particular time, if still the case is not solved, it will be escalated to concerned authority. So this way you can give the answer of all these kind of questions. And guys, that's all with this part 7. Let's meet in the next part to get some more knowledge about the important interview questions. Till then, have a good time.